Nigeria at 64. Rivers State Police disperse Fearless in October protesters. In Rivers State, the planned October 1st protest has been swiftly dispersed by police and suspected political thugs. The incident unfolded in Port Harcourt, where demonstrators had gathered to mark Nigeria's 64th Independence Day. Eyewitnesses report that stern-looking police officers accompanied by youths believed to be political thugs arrived early at the protest site near Pleasure Park along the Port Harcourt-Aba Expressway. The authorities forcefully dispersed the crowd and took control of the area. Undeterred, protesters attempted to regroup in the Rumuola area, but were again met with police intervention. Law enforcement has since maintained a heavy presence at these locations and other potential gathering points across the city. The police crackdown aligns with a prior warning issued by the Rivers State Police Command. In a statement signed by Police Public Relations Officer Grace Iwingekoko, residents were urged to avoid activities threatening peace during the Independence Day celebration. Commissioner of Police Olatunji Disu has pledged to ensure adequate security for the day's event. The police statement acknowledged awareness of the planned protest, tagged #FearlessInOctober, and emphasized the importance of maintaining peace in the state. Notably, media personnel were prevented from capturing photos or videos of the event, raising concerns about press freedom and transparency. Currently, there are no reports of protesters regrouping at any known venue. The Rivers State Police Command continues to monitor the situation closely, stating that their measures are intended to safeguard lives and properties, maintaining law and order, and ensure free movement of vehicles throughout the state. Stay tuned to our news channel for further developments on this story.